In a land where dreams intertwined with reality, there was a mystical kingdom called Dreamhaven. This enchanting realm was governed by the celestial Dreamkeeper, a guardian who ensured that all dreams flourished and nightmares were kept at bay. But one fateful night, the Dreamkeeper's scepter, the Lumina Staff, was stolen, plunging Dreamhaven into chaos. Miles away in the ordinary town of Meadowbrook, a curious and imaginative boy named Elliot began to have strange, vivid dreams of a world filled with shimmering skies and glowing landscapes. One night, a tiny glowing fox appeared in his dream. "Elliot," the fox spoke, its voice echoing like a melody, "Dreamhaven needs you. Without the Lumina Staff, nightmares will take over both our world and yours." Elliot, clutching his favorite notebook, nodded with determination. "How can I help?" "Follow me," the fox said. With a flash of light, Elliot found himself transported to Dreamhaven, standing beneath a sky awash with colors that shifted like an artist's palette. Upon his arrival, Elliot met two others summoned to the cause: Lyra, a bold and clever girl from the city who loved puzzles and riddles; Finn, a quiet yet resourceful farm boy with a knack for crafting tools from seemingly nothing. The glowing fox, now larger and more radiant, introduced itself as Lumin, the spirit guide of Dreamhaven. "Together, you must venture to the nightmare abyss and retrieve the Lumina Staff from the clutches of the Shadow Wraith." Their journey began on the path of whispers, where ancient trees spoke in riddles. "I am not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. What am I?" Lyra grinned. "A fire," she answered confidently. The trees parted, revealing a glowing bridge of starlight. Further along, they encountered a maze guarded by shifting illusions. Finn used his intuition and crafted a small compass from enchanted stones scattered nearby. "This should guide us through the maze," he said. With the compass, they navigated the labyrinth with ease. The trio eventually reached the edge of the nightmare abyss, a dark and swirling void where twisted shadows danced ominously. Lumin's glow dimmed. "This is as far as I can guide you. The Lumina Staff lies within, but beware the Shadow Wraith." Elliot took a deep breath, clutching his notebook. "We've come this far. We're ready." Inside, the air was thick with dread, and whispers of doubt filled their ears. Lyra reminded them, "These fears aren't real. Stay focused." At the heart of the abyss, the Shadow Wraith emerged, a towering figure of darkness with piercing red eyes. "Who dares to challenge me?" it boomed. Elliot stepped forward. "We're here to take back the Lumina Staff and restore Dreamhaven." The Wraith laughed. "Then face your deepest fears." One by one, the trio confronted illusions of their greatest fears. Lyra faced a never-ending puzzle with no solution, but she remembered her friend's encouragement and broke free.